Hey everyone! Today I'm going to dive into something that's really transforming the engineering world. Coordinate measuring machines, or CMMs. Alright, so picture this. You've got a super complex part that needs precise measurements. We're talking microns here. That's where the CMM steps in, like a digital knight in shining armor. Now, a CMM is essentially a device that measures the geometry of physical objects by sensing discrete points on the surface with a probe. Think of it like a very precise robot arm that touches different points on your object and records their exact positions. There are different types of probes: touch trigger, scanning, and even optical. Each is designed for specific tasks, making sure engineers get the most accurate data possible. How cool is that? Chuckles. But wait, there's more. Remember the days when you had to rely on calipers and micrometers for measurements? Yeah, those days are long gone, my friend. CMMs can handle complex geometries effortlessly and spit out data faster than you can say tolerances. And the best part, they're not just for big manufacturing giants. Even smaller shops can get their hands on entry-level models, making high-precision measurements accessible to everyone. Imagine you're designing a component for a spacecraft. Precision is non-negotiable, right? With a CMM, you can ensure every single part matches the exact design specifications. No more guesswork, just pure accuracy. So, why should you care? Because CMMs are revolutionizing how we approach quality control and precision engineering. They're making it easier to innovate, build, and perfect our designs. If you're an engineer looking to step up your measurement game, investing in CMM technology could be a game changer. Trust me, it's worth it. Thanks for sticking around, folks. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more engineering awesomeness.